Hey, and welcome to the globalair.com aircraft details section under our aircraft for sale page. My name is Chase, and I'll be showing you how to navigate these cool features. The main function of the aircraft details section is to give specifics about the aircraft that are for sale on globalair.com. One of these cool features is our breadcrumbs feature that allows you to track back to the aircraft details page after clicking on an aircraft. For example, if I were to click on this 2008 Global XRS, the breadcrumbs feature would lead me back to the aircraft details page. Also, be sure to check out the drop-down search tabs on the details pages. These allow you to search for any type of aircraft through drop-down menus. For example, I'll search for a Falcon 2000. Another cool feature is the autofill search bar. For example, if I were to begin searching for a Falcon 2000, the search bar autofills the search options. From there, I get to see the Falcon 2000's technical specifications, along with the option to see the full specs. For pretty much any plane you can think of, you can get this information on globalair.com. The aircraft details page shows how many of these particular planes are for sale right now on globalair.com. For example, there are 13 Falcon 2000s listed on the site at the moment. Scrolling down the page, you get all of the details. The price of the aircraft is in green, with details about the particular plane and a summary of its highlights. The aircraft details page will also usually provide the registration and serial number of each aircraft. From here, you can click to see everything listed about the plane and contact the seller with questions or to make an offer. Another great feature of the page is the ability to do a side-by-side comparison of up to 3 planes. All you have to do is hit the Compare tab on each aircraft that you want to see and click to compare. This allows you to see all of the technical specifications for each aircraft in a side-by-side view. Back on the main aircraft details page, there's a news section that is customized to the news relating to the particular aircraft that you're searching for. For example, if I'm searching for a Falcon 2000, the news section will populate with globalair.com aviation news articles mentioning Falcon 2000s or the manufacturer. At the bottom of the page, statistics about the specific aircraft are shown. Learn the average price of the aircraft on globalair.com, how many have been sold on globalair.com in the past 6 months, and the average for how long each one has been listed. Finally, at the very bottom of the page, there is a tab that allows you to search for our aviation directory for specific aviation-related businesses. Be sure to check out our aircraft for sale section on globalair.com, and thanks for watching.